as a nation, we have a pressing message. I want people understand. Whether you're going to represent for Isat Buchanan as a brethren, because I know I'm running in politics thing and thing, and a lot of people take it out of proportion along political divide, and we understand that this is Jamaica. You know what I mean? A politically harsh environment. But remember this, Vybz KARTEL, first and foremost, my allegiance is to the people of Jamaica. Whether you're PNP, whether you're Labourite, Vybz KARTEL allegiance is to the people of Jamaica, because Jamaica make me rich. You understand? Yes. And me and Isaac good, me and Daryl Vaz good. Me no know him wife, but she look like a cool lady to me. You know what I mean? So, big up Miss Vaz and thing, yeah. So, the point I try to make is this. Don't get the thing twisted. Me's a